Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing and a review on the Tiki Brand Patio Firepit. So let's go ahead and unbox it and I'll go over the features and some of the specs on it. Let's check it out. All right, so here we have it. Here is the box it comes in. You can see brings a wood pack of pellets, which I'll go over that in just a moment. It's a bit heavy. Was shipped out of Wisconsin. Can't remember the town. I'm in Florida. I ordered it, I think, on a Thursday, shipped Friday. Yesterday was Thanksgiving, so I got it a week later. Came via FedEx. So a couple things. You're gonna see my backyard here. I'm still working on this area, slowly converting it into what I want. It's all dirt right now, but don't mind the mess. Anyhow, you might wonder why I decided to go with a $395 fire pit when we have several inexpensive options in Walmart and Home Depot, among other stores. Well, I was looking for a smokeless fire pit, and yeah, you know, you have options with the Brio one and the Solo stove, which are relatively about the same price, and you can also cook on those, which is a really neat feature. But honestly, I wasn't looking for that type of feature. I just want to put my fire pit out here and use it as a fire pit, a smokeless one. We will see if this is worth the money. It is an expensive one. You can order it on Amazon, or you can order it directly from the Tiki Brand website. I'll link this down below for you guys to check out. It will be an affiliate link, so just be aware of that. It won't cost you any additional money, but it will give me a little kickback, and that is always appreciated. So this is fire pit is 24 3/4 wide by 24 3/4 long, and it's 18 3/4 high. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a closer look at it. Includes one free firewood pack. These are pellets, and it's my understanding these are really expensive, about 36 bucks a bag. You have your weather resistant cover for the grill, or for the, not the grill, the fire pit. Go. You got your instruction manual in the plastic cover there. It shows you everything what you need to do. It's very easy to read. So that was the actual user guide. Here's the instruction and use manual. So there's more detail here about your fire pit. Here you have your stand, real lightweight. Just gonna sit this on these pavers for now. This is gonna be my temporary setup. First thing you gotta do is take out the ash pan from here. So remove this, set it to the side. Then we're gonna actually put the fire pit on top of the foot ring. All right, one thing's important to note is you gotta line up the holes on the fire pit with the tabs that are on the foot ring. There's 3 of these, so make sure they're lined up, because next up we're gonna screw these in. Here are the 3 screws that come with it, and it brings an Allen wrench. You'll find this in the packaging of the weather cover, the weather resistant cover. So everything's in there. So we're just gonna put that screw right in there. Come back and tighten them. Just go around and do the other 2 as well. Once you have the screws all in place, put your ashtray back in, and you're all set. It's that easy. It's seriously 5-minute setup to install or assemble this. Just gonna slide that in, and you're good to go. So initial impressions: it's a very nice fire pit, well constructed. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but it is stainless steel, and it has a nice powder coated black paint job on it. Looks very nice. The inner diameter is 16 inches, I'm sorry, and has a depth of 16 inches as well. You could use it with the wood packs that they sell. I won't be using those. I'm going to be using the regular old firewood logs, and you could use that with this as well. They recommend 16 inches or smaller for the log, so just keep that in mind. It has that center cone. That cone is included, and it's supposed to help distribute the airflow when using the fire packs. or the wood packs I should say, but you could also use it with the actual the logs. So or you can remove it if you want to get more in there, which is probably what I'm going to end up doing. But we'll see how it performs. I will check back with you guys tomorrow and give you an update once I fire it up. Hey guys, actually the temperature dropped quite a bit. We're out here gonna light it up. I'm gonna show you guys the cover. I got the cover on. I'm gonna throw the wood pack in and just burn that for the first time use here to see how that works out. Got a nice snug cover. It's got some elastic on the bottom. Goes on really good. Just not sure how well it'll do if it rains. So I got the cone in here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wood pack on top. This is real easy. Just gotta light each corner of the wood pack and let it burn. Let's see how well it does. And this should last about half an hour. So I'll time it here shortly. I'm gonna start that. It's on. I don't know if this is gonna really last half an hour. It's burning really fast. I'm about 2.5 feet and I can feel the heat from here nicely. Got nice little s'mores. The heat radius is 4 feet on this, so I'm sitting here purposely to see if I can feel it, and it feels good, nice and warm. Oh, no. So we're about 26 minutes in, and it's still burning. So that's about right. So I added a piece of firewood, and so far so good. No smoke with the firewood. Obviously, next time I'll add more, you know, to see how it does with more firewood in there, but still have some pellets burning, and the firewood feels good. No smoke. Good job. Just wanted to show you guys the ashes the day after. Very easy to clean up. You just kind of brush these down through, and then you pull out the ashtray and dump your ashes. So I kind of wish this came with a cover. I'm using this tin trash can cover. It fits perfectly, and I just left that on there overnight just to make sure everything was okay. But yeah, I wish it included something like that. All right guys, I've used the fire pit a few times already, and it has been fine. It's worked as advertised. I'm very pleased with it so far. So my initial impressions on it are good ones. Don't have really much anything bad to say about it, except that I wish it did include that tin cover that I mentioned earlier. And I did order an accessory for it. Is the like the mesh top. I forgot the actual name of it. It's expensive though. It's $150, but I think it's worth it. When you use the wood packs, I noticed that the flames are a lot higher. When you use the firewood logs, you have more control depending on how much you put in there. You can kind of control how high the flames come up. So, but I prefer the firewood logs anyway. So, yeah, just thought I'd share the unboxing, you know, show you guys the actual fire pit if you're interested in one of these. I'll link it down below, like I mentioned earlier. And so far, so good. I will update down in the comments if anything changes on my opinion on it. But yeah, I'll give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next review. Peace. Make sure you like, subscribe.